So hello guys, today we have national level assessment cyber from Deloitte. Now let's see about this. The registration ends today and the date is November 13th. Now let's see about the role descriptions for this role. We have short this what you will do in this work, so we will tell it in a short and sweet manner. In this role, you will enhance the client's IT security and risk management by analyzing the controls, supporting data privacy application, and protecting the managed services to ensure secure and reliable system. And you will monitor network devices, you will handle incident response and troubleshooting issues, and you will simplify complex problems. Additionally, you will align the business need with the technology solution. You will assist in fraud detection with forensic accounts, and you will analyze a large data set and uncover the patterns and ensure the regulatory compliance and protect the client's critical asset. This is actually based like a cyber security, where you will be looking after the client's data, their security, and you will be looking after everything for your client, and that's how this work actually works. Now let's see the qualification required for this role. The qualification required is BE or B.Tech in cybersecurity, information technology, computer science, software engineering, or other related branches. You should have done ME or M.Tech in cybersecurity, computer science, information technology, software engineering, or you should have done MCA. So, in your college, you should have at least a 60 percentage with no standing arrears or backlogs. And now let's see the preferred qualification for this role. You need to have an excellent interpersonal and communication skill, which includes written, verbal, and presentation. You should be able to communicate in a global and virtual platform. They're asking for this excellent interpersonal and communication skill because you will be communicating in a global and virtual platform where you will be also get to connect or network with the persons who are actually working in US, UK, or anything in globally. So you need to have a good written, verbal, and presentation skill. So and also you should demonstrate a higher sense of ownership, attention to detail, and process other. And also you should be a customer centric and you should focus on solving the customer reported issue in the most impactful way. You should have a moderate analytical and problem solving skill to identify the areas of continuous improvement. You should have a moderate computer programming skill involving the programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python, and programming fundamentals, relational databases, networking concepts, and SQL. And you should have a good working knowledge of Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. You should have a good grasp of cybersecurity and risk domain would be a added plus. You should be profoundly curious and agile. You should have problem solving ability for this role and it will be a added plus. And if you are thinking to learn the programming languages, you can actually check our Python course. We have done it, and we have also done the SQL course. So you can actually check it. It is for free. And also we are doing a lead code series where we are actually making a series of mostly asked programming questions in an interview. So just check it out too. We will give it in the end card or in the info card. And now let's see the recruitment process. First of all, you will have to apply for this role, and then you will receive an online assessment where you will have to complete that assessment and get qualified. And then you will have to showcase your skills in the interview, and you will have a 6 month mandatory boot camp. That is basically like they will be teaching you something related to this role. They will be training you, and after that 6 month you will be an analyst trainee. You will be successfully becoming an analyst trainee. And now let's see the eligibility of this role. Only the 2025 graduates of BE, B.Tech, ME, M.Tech, and MCA can apply for this role. And as I mentioned, you should have a 60 percentage with no standing backlogs or arrear, and you should not have any existing offers from Deloitte or from its affiliated entities, and you will be eligible to apply for for this role if you have those things. And If you have applied for Deloitte within the past 6 months, you will be not considered for the hiring process. If you have applied for any roles from May or something, you will be not be eligible for this hiring process, and you should be available for this 6 months boot camp starting from January 2025. Like, it is a prerequisite for consideration for this role because that is a mandatory thing to be done, and the assessment dates will be from today to 16th of November, and the compensation given to you will be 4 lakhs plus variable benefit, and this role comes with a probation of 12 months. So after this compensation, here you can see apply for Cyber Gurukul and unleash your potential. If we click on this, we will be redirected to the application link. We will be redirected to the application link where it looks like this, where you will have to give consent as I agree and declaration as I agree, and then you will fill your name, your last name, and your full name here, and then you will fill your email address, your alternate email address, your mobile number, and your date of birth, your gender, and you will give your present address, and you will choose your educational type. Please look after the educational type from here, that is BE, B.Tech, ME, M.Tech, and MCA. So you will have to select undergraduate or postgraduate. So BE and B.Tech will come under the undergraduate, and ME and M.Tech and MCA will come under postgraduate. So select it accordingly, and please enter your university registration number that comes under your ID card. So enter that, and if you have any gap in the education, you can give it, and if you have any standing backlogs, you can give it here. But they have mentioned you should not have any backlog. You can see it here. They have said you should have 60 percentage equivalent with no standing backlogs or arrear. So please fill accordingly, and you should they have asked if you have paid for Deloitte in the last 6 months, and also they have mentioned consider, like, if you have applied for Deloitte in the past 6 months, you will be not considered for applying for this role. So fill it accordingly, and they have asked, do you have any offer in hand? So, and are you open to internship, and are you an Indian citizenship, and everything. So then they are asking for, do you have any work experience? Like, as you are a 2025, as you are a 2025 graduate, I think you don't have any work experience, but please don't include any internships here. Only if you have done a work like full-time opportunity, you can actually fill it. And if you are a former employee of Deloitte and anything, like, they are asking it, and other professional certification, additional certification, you can choose yes, no, everything. And at last, you will have to choose your photo that should be in a size of 4 MB, and you should choose your CV or resume that is also in 4 MB. So that's it. And then after filling all this detail, you just click on submit. Please don't delay on applying for this role. This is a wonderful opportunity from Deloitte where they are actually providing a training, and then they are actually taking you for a full-time and internship opportunity. So it is a very good opportunity for all the fresh graduates from 2025. Please share to your friends, share to your college groups, and share to anyone you know who would be useful from this. And if you are thinking where the link is, you can check the description. We have provided the link in the description. And if you think you want any resources, please let us know in the comment section. So we will help you out with the resources, and we will check it out. And if you get any updates from this company, please let us know in the Instagram page, where we will also if you let us know in the Instagram page, we will also make it aware for the other candidates who have applied for this role. It will be helpful for them. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share it to your friends.